Whenever I'm feeling like making a cheat meal, I always go for chicken because it's the best. This is heaven. The color is perfect, well seasoned, very flavorful. We have a very nice garlic butter taste, which is so good. Yes. Also, we have some fries for our side dish. I love eating fries with ketchup, so yeah, this is a match made in heaven. So today we're going to be making some delicious garlic buttery chicken wings, which are going to turn out mouth-watering. To start off, you'll peel 5 to 6 medium potatoes for making our fries as our side dish. Then you're going to chop into fries just like this. Wash several times until the water runs clear. That is to get rid of the excess starch in the potatoes. Remember, potatoes are super starchy, so you have to remove the starch. Then you're going to soak for around 10 minutes. Drain the water and get straight into making your fries. Place a pan over medium flame. Add in enough cooking oil to deep fry your potatoes. There are 2 steps when it comes to making some delicious crispy fries. The first step is cooking the potato on the inside. And the second step is double frying. That is adding in that crispy edge or crispy look to the fries. After around a minute, I'm going to check if my cooking oil is ready by dropping in a piece of potato. Once you notice the potato floating or small bubbling, the oil is ready. If it's too hot, you're going to reduce the flames to low. Then you're going to let the oil cool a little bit. Carefully, you're going to drop in some more potato pieces into the cooking oil. Use your skimmer, toss the potatoes. Then you're going to fry for around 3 to 4 minutes. While your potatoes are frying, you're going to wash your chicken wings and cut into flats and into drumettes. Then you're going to be adding in a very simple marinade. So you're going to start off with some buttermilk. Crack an egg. Add in a teaspoon of paprika, garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of peri seasoning. Throw in a little bit of seasoning, that is salt. Go in with your hands and massage in. Go in and massage in the seasoning, the buttermilk into the chicken wings. And remember, if your chicken doesn't change color, it's not well seasoned, so you're going to throw in some more seasoning. Marinate for at least 5 to 10 minutes. If you have time, throw in the fridge overnight and let the chicken slowly marinate. The buttermilk is going to tenderize the chicken while marinating, and this is after around 4 minutes. The chips is perfectly cooking. After 4 minutes, this is how my fries are looking, and they are cooked on the inside. So I'm going to use my skimmer, scoop out, shake off the excess oil. Then I'm going to transfer to a plate lined with kitchen paper towel. The kitchen paper towel is going to soak in the excess oil from the potatoes. So now you're going to let the oil get hot for around 30 seconds so that we can double fry our fries for that crispy look. They look absolutely gorgeous. So now I'm going to carefully place into the cooking oil. You have to be careful not to splash any oil on yourself because you don't want to burn yourself. Fry for around 45 seconds to a minute or until the potatoes get that lovely golden brown color. Just look how gorgeous the fries are looking. So once more, you're going to scoop out, shake off the excess oil and transfer to your plate to drain off that excess oil. Super crispy. Yum. For this next step, you're going to need some all-purpose flour. We have corn flour, paprika, cayenne powder, and black pepper, together with some salt. So I'm going to add in some salt to my flour. Remember, we have already added in some seasoning to our chicken wings, which I'm marinating. Add in my spices, corn flour, which is going to make the chicken wings super crispy. Use a whisk and whisk in the dry ingredients until fully combined, and adding in some more seasoning to the flour is going to make the chicken wings super delicious. So once I'm done, it's time to place the chicken wings into the cooking oil. So I'm going to pick a chicken wing, place into the flour. Then you're going to coat with some flour and drop into the cooking oil. Make sure to shake off any excess flour. Carefully drop into the cooking oil. Fry your chicken wings for around 5 to 6 minutes at most, and make sure you do not overcrowd your pan, because the temperature of the oil is going to drop and the chicken wings are not going to crispen up on the outside. Also make sure the temperature of the oil is perfect so that the chicken wings can cook on the inside and crispen up on the outside. Use a skimmer and flip so that the chicken wings can evenly fry. I'm going to drop in some more chicken wings into the flour. Coat, ready to drop into the cooking oil. So as you can see, I'm using one hand for picking the chicken wings and dropping into the flour, while the other hand is coating the chicken wings with the flour. So it's not going to be super messy. Once done, you're going to scoop out your chicken wings, shake off the excess oil, and transfer to a plate lined with kitchen paper towel. And my first round is a little bit on the dark side, so I'm going to reduce the flames to low, so that medium low, so that the chicken wings can get that perfect color. Drop in my second round into the cooking oil carefully. So the buttermilk is going to help the breading all the flour to stick on the chicken. Hence, you're going to get that. Hence, you're going to get those crispy bits on the chicken. After a minute, I'm going to flip, and the color is just perfect. Let the other side cook. Just keep on checking as your chicken is frying, so that you don't get that dark color. So I'm going to flip once more. Make sure the chicken wings are perfectly frying. When ready, you're going to scoop out using your skimmer and transfer to your plate lined with kitchen paper towel. And the color is just perfect. Add in my next round. While my second round is frying, I'm going to make a very simple butter dressing, which is going to be very delicious. So I'm going to place a small pan over medium-low flame. Add in 3 tablespoons of butter. Wait for around 30 seconds so that the butter can melt. Make sure the flames are at low so that the butter doesn't burn. Once the butter is melted, you're going to add in 2 cloves of garlic, coriander or parsley, cook the garlic and coriander for around 30 seconds, and this is going to make everything super flavorful and delicious. So this is salted butter. That means that I'm not going to be adding in any salt. If you're using unsalted butter, you can throw in a little bit of salt. So I'm going to carefully watch over my butter while I check on my chicken. Flip so that the other side can cook, and it's turning out amazing as always. Back to my pan, I'm going to stir in as the coriander and garlic is cooking to make sure nothing is burning. Once ready, you're going to put out the flames, ready to dress your chicken wings. Back to my pan, I'm going to scoop out using a skimmer. Now I'm salivating because they're turning out perfect. Transfer to the rest. I'm going to add in my chicken wings in another clean bowl. Add in my butter dressing on the chicken wings. Wow. A little bit of twist. I'm going to be adding in some bumbo sauce and chili. This is going to make everything super yummy. Toss. And I'm ready to serve. Fries ready, chicken wings are ready. So now it's time to plate. I'm going to add in a good portion of my fries, which are still hot. As you can see, that is perfect for one. Then I'm going to place in my chicken wings. Served up my delicious garlic butter chicken wings on a big platter with some fries and ketchup because it's my favorite. I'm going to dig in. Wow, the crunch is amazing. Everything is perfectly seasoned. Wow. I'm going to dunk in some ketchup because why not? This is so good. With very basic ingredients, this is a recipe worth trying because everything has turned out incredible.